everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have it's a Blackstone griddle bag of some sort for 22-inch Blackstone. I have a different version of a Blackstone thing here, but we're just gonna see what this bag looks like, and I'll show you guys what it is here. So this is the bag. It's a nice big bag, that's for sure. And let me just open it all up here, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. It's the super heavy duty. So if you're looking for a super heavy duty bag, this is what you need here. Actually, this would be great for like luggage for taking it on the airplane. Where's the zipper? Can't even find the end of the zipper. So I see the zipper goes here, all the way up there and around there. Oh, here we go. So here's how we can open it up. So look at this. Here, there we go. Here's the inside of it. So it's big, and it'll fit your Blackstone. It would fit this one here, it'll fit something even bigger. But here we go, we have all these different straps in here, so once we get it inside, we can strap it around it to hold it in place. And then, once we're done, we can close it up. So, you can close it up here, and you'll see it would be a nice big bag, and we can hold it like that, or we will have the ability to put the straps on it and hold it that way. So how sweet is that? So we can put our Blackstone griddle if we want to take it somewhere, and we have in the front here a couple of pouches so we can put some of our griddle tools or whatever we need on it, put those in there. And we have the nice bag, and then this little Velcro closed as well. So how cool is this? Nice bag, definitely cool. Thumbs up.